previous segment, you learned all about GPS systems. Now this segment, we're going to talk about something that both of us like. And that's about music. Nikhilesh, let's face it, it's the iPod generation, whether we like it or not.
Absolutely, Radhika. The iPod is, I think, something that has changed the way that we listen to music. The Walkman was probably the first step, but the iPod has taken it the whole new direction. I have an iPod Touch and I take it with me everywhere, not into the shower of course, but everywhere else. And yeah, it really has changed the way that I live my life, changed the way that I interact with music. My only grouse against Apple is I'm not sure that the headphones that they provide are exactly the ticket. They're decent, but I don't think that they give you the quality of sound that should go with an iPod, which is a really fabulous device.
Well, I'm going to completely disagree with that. I actually like the Apple headphones that come along with the iPod Touch. But buying a good headphone along with your media players is quite a big deal. And you should take notice of that, because you are going to spend so much money on your media player, then you might as well get a good pair of headphones to go along with it to get the complete music experience. So Nikhilesh, you're not a big fan of in-ear headphones. What kind of headphones are you looking for?
Well, I tend to like larger headphones that wrap around your ears because I like to be insulated from all the sound in the room. But I agree that then you compromise on portability, so it really depends on what you want.
So, whether you like style, or whether you're looking for portability, or whether you're looking for in-ear headphones, out-ear headphones, big headphones, we've got all that for you today on our Technoholic Ultimate Headphone Buying Guide. Go take a look. To make it easy for everyone, let's divide the headphones into 3 categories. And they are budget range, mid-range and price no bar. Let's start with the first category, which is low range, and the best headphones are just under Rs 2000. If you are a big music buff and can't do without your music on the way to work or college or class, or you're self-employed and work from home, you constantly need music in the background. And here's a range of good budget headphones for you. Creative's EP630 is a first generation noise isolation in-ear earphones. And isolate noise they do. In fact, they fit so smugly in your ears that the rest of the world seems like a blur. Meet Kritika Kalluri, a total music junkie. She's hooked on to the EP630 and has her reasons to do so.
It's got good bass and it plugs into my phone, so that's really great. I have small ears too, so these things stay put. The rest of the earphones keep falling off.
At just 12 grams, these earphones are a lifesaver for her because she loves personalizing her music. Interestingly, they also come with ergonomic removable earpieces to fit your ear size. Very creative and very thoughtful. I mean, very thoughtful, very creative. A must-buy for every music lover who wants to keep it low and personal. If you're into DJing or heavily into electronic music and love bass, the Sennheiser HD202 is a complete bass and volume headset. Sturdy with good noise cancellation, these headphones spew good sound and an added bass thump into your ears. The surround stereo sound quality is wide and clear, but may not be very distinct at all times. Electronic music sounds most promising on these headphones. The beats are sharp and defined. The down points are the acoustics, which don't sound so great, and also the size of the earpieces is a little small for your average ear and you might feel a little cramped wearing them. A little disturbance is also heard at high frequencies, however, they do look good. And for 1600 bucks and other features, they're totally worth it. Now let's raise the bar a little higher and give you our next category of mid-range headphones. This is for you if you're a quality sound lover and want to get it right. These drum machines are incredibly designed for a good fit and optimum sound delivery at its best. The bass is just wicked, and despite being non-noise cancelling, these headphones give superb clarity in sound and distort all outside sound altogether. The ear cushions are a filter for harshness, and you only get to hear sheer audio delight. No crackling, no distortion, and a powerful bass blast. That's Sony XP300 for you. If you're a bass fanatic and enjoy the pure clarity of sound for a mere 2,500 bucks, this baby's worth its weight in gold. excellent noise cancellation and a superb fit, the Philips SHQ 4000 headset is truly cut out for fitness freaks. Perfect for exercise, jogging and trips to the gym, this headset gives good sound with a good bump and volume. You will need to increase the volume to hear its fullness. A nice red color 4-feet wire runs from the headphones to your music player or phone, and to add to the geek value, it's got a gold-plated plug.
These earphones are like really cool, you know. I'm a student and I'm a shopaholic. I travel a lot. So from one metro to the other, you know, I just keep on plugging them. They are sweat free, so I can like plug in 24/7 and they're water resistant.
These earphones can be washed under tap water. Since its frequency is a little less than usual, you'll need to pump up the volume to get your kicks right. A definite buy. And finally, for people who can't spend any amount of money on their phones, here's our third category, price no bar, pure psyched audiophilia. And here's our best picks. Creative's Orvana XFi comes with fancy names such as Crystallizer and XFi CMSS 3D. The 3D works on moving sound away from your ears and is a plus point only when watching movies and playing games. What you hear instead is a distorted song at different frequencies. You don't really want to listen to 3D music. Pretty disappointing given Creatives make such amazing speakers. You may want to skip this one unless you fly often. The one and only one. The Bose QC15 are the headphones you have to buy if you're an incurable audiophile and music is your priority number one. These headphones will make the frequency of sound weep. The topmost in the line and the Bose best headphones are the QC15, which are a neighbor's envy and definitely an owner's pride. And how? The first thing you hear when you switch them on is nothing. They go zap and silence. And you could be in a crowded train or in a fish market, it would all go mute because their noise reduction is just A-class. Tested for acoustics, bass, sharpness, thump, electronica and the feel of the sound, the QC15 has emerged as a winner. They resonate to each and every produced sound and reproduce it with maximum accurate intensity.
Good sound is a top priority to me, and I love experimenting with my music. These headphones are the best for me.
We're pretty sure that the list has left you zapped. But before we go, let's give you a quick recap of all the pretty headphones.
Nikhilesh, the Bose QC15, I see your face is already lit up. You're going to go ahead and get that, I know.
Well, 15 grand is a bit of a stretch, but they are a really great set of headphones. They're really on the money. I think that's the kind of headphone that I would go for. I know that other people may not feel that's worth it, but hey, I'm a bit crazy, so yeah.
So Nikhilesh is going to go all crazy, go get QC15 to replace his Apple headphones. We hope the headphone buying guide is going to help you to buy your next set of headphones, and that's all about the time that we have in this segment. We have to take a break, get out of the sun for a little while, but you guys don't go anywhere. There's lots more coming up on the show after the break.